Biotechnology is entering what I call the plausible mechanism era. Artificial intelligence is dramatically expanding the number of biological hypotheses that scientists can actually generate. Drug targets that once required years of laboratory research can now be modeled computationally in simply a fraction of the time. The faster discovery does not eliminate biological uncertainty. Clinical trials can still fail, as most do. Unfortunately, manufacturing still requires validation. And of course, capital markets have become significantly more selective following the biotech correction of the early 2020s. What we're seeing now instead is a redistribution of risk across the biotechnology development cycle. Discovery is accelerating, but validation still remains the binding constraint. With this third tech to biotech publication, I examine how artificial intelligence, capital cycles, manufacturing, economics, and regulatory sequencing are really reshaping the biological risk within biotechnology. Lastly, as a reminder, free subscribers get access to this summary of this publication. And of course, paid subscribers get full access to this publication, all the archives, and of course, periodic special reports that I'll be putting out throughout the year. Thank you.